Hello guys, my name is Priyanshu and you're watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing MBA Finance and Banking question number 3, and this question is taken from the probability theory. And if you need answer of this question, so you can call us on this given number which is showing on our screen, and you can also message us on our WhatsApp number which is showing on the screen. Kindly note this number, which is 900 936 8238. And if you need any help regarding this course, I mean consultant service, you can call us without any delay. Question number 3 is saying a fair coin is tossed the 400 times using normal approximation to the binomial. Find the probability that a head will occur more than 180 times and less than 195 times. So this is the question which is consist of the probability theory and the distribution theory also. So if you need answer of this question, not particular this question, if you need all the answers of this question, so you can call us, and I will provide all the answer in a PDF form. This is a paid service. Thank you so much for watching this video. We will meet you soon in the next video.